Hey guys, we're standing here in our latest renovation at Longevity, and today we're going to show you how to capitalise on that natural light by adding VELUX skylights with a splayed light shaft.
The beauty of the VELUX skylights is they can be incorporated into a new build or renovation like we've done in the past.
In this particular renovation, we've basically started from scratch. So we've designed the void to be directly over the kitchen, but these skylights can be added into any existing roofline, renovation or new build.
The boys have been working hard on the roof. They've installed those VELUX from the exterior, and now it's Kyle's time to come inside and frame up that void to create an architectural feature.
Now that our skylights are installed, we're ready to start framing up the light shaft. And the most important thing we can do here is create a splay in the light shaft to capitalise on all that natural light. Because we're using the back of the rebate in the skylight to make sure that that's our starting point, we're using a spirit level to ensure that we are plumb when we're setting out for our frame. The VELUX skylights are designed with this rebate, and that allows the gyprock to tuck right up in there, creating a perfect finish. You may have seen skylight shafts be framed up where they've gone vertical down from the top of the skylight, but what we want to do is create a feature and let in that natural light, so we're going to splay this right out. To establish our starting point for our splay, we're doing the same process as what we did at the bottom of the skylight. We want to use the back of the rebate as our starting point, so we're making sure our angle flows into that. You can really notice how the splay in this light shaft is starting to take shape, and it really does make this whole light well feel so much more open, and it's going to be a beautiful feature once it's finished. Now that we're all framed up on this light shaft, the splay looks amazing. It's time for the gyprockers to come in and do their thing. Standing in this space, you can really get a sense of the grandeur of the finished product and how the splay in the light shaft allows all that natural light to filter through this area.
The void really is an architectural statement, but also such a practical solution for adding natural light and ventilation. So have a think about how you can capitalise on natural light in your home.